Do you want to create professional video using multi-track editing on Canva? In this video, I will show you how to edit videos with multi-track on Canva easily, so you can layer clips, audio and effects like a pro. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Canva app. Then in this page, you will go to above to this sign of profile. As you see here. Then in this page of profile, you will find settings. You will tap on settings. After that, in this page, you will find this window here. And then you will find this sign, as you see, use new multi-track video editor. New video design are opened in the beta editor. So you will tap here to enable this feature of video editing, as you see, in the easy way. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.